Viewers, here I'm at Ibeju-Lekki after the Dangote refinery, right? Here we have Cedarwood Luxury Ocean Bay. It is right on the road. You can see the express road. It is right on the road, and it is a sea view estate. So it's a very nice place. This is the driveway, and it already has perimeter fencing with a gate. So, and then allocation has been done to people who have keyed in. So we now have limited plot here. So I'm going to take you right to the estate now so that you see it. The title is Registered Deed of Conveyance. That is the title, and it is a very nice location, secured, sea view, and these are the reasons why you should come and put your money here: the location, the title, and then the price. So let me take you inside and show you a broader view of it. So this is the inside. You can see this is the inside, and you see beacons. Many people who have bought allocation have been done. You know, allocation. Many people have taken their possessions. So you can see that it is down straight to the seaside, which I'm still going to show you. You can see it yourself. Is the topography is 100% dried, right? And the layout is already out. So this is the security post. The security post. So, and then you have lane. You have lane 1. That's lane 1. This is lane 2. This is the park. You can see that the estate has perimeter fencing all around it. All around it, perimeter fencing.